What's up, everybody? Nic DeSeelhorst here, your Salt Lake City realtor, here again with another amazing elevated design homes renovation here in Millcreek, 3115 South Dory Street. Really close to the new Millcreek Commons, skating and ice skating depending on the season, and the entirely new Millcreek Downtown City Urban Center that's going to be developed over the next 5 to 10 years. So let's go inside and take a look.
Hey y'all, welcome to what $699,900 would get you at Millcreek, Utah. This is 3115 South Dory Street, brought to you by KW, South Valley, Keller Williams, and Elevated Design Homes. It is 2,250 square feet. You've got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms.
Again, this is an amazing house that's just finished in the heart of Millcreek. Super cool location. Love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.